Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are returning, if you're new, hi, I'm Danielle from A Novel Plan. It's great to have you guys here. Today I am going to be working in my Classic Happy Planner, and I'm going to be doing a fitness plan with me. Alright, so I posted a video last week about this Classic Happy Planner. I did Franken plan it, so I have a couple different sections in here. I have a fitness section, a meal planning, and a household section. So I'm going to go ahead and flip to the section I need. I did combine these two dashboards, so there is a pink tab and an April tab. I tape runnered them so they flip together. So this is my monthly spread, and I have not filled it out yet. I will do that in a little bit, but today I'm going to be working on this spread right here. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and pull out the pages I need, and I'm going to be working for the week of, let's see, let me pull out my phone and take a look. The week of April 12th through the 18th. So this is going to be a mixture of a little bit of everything, some stickers, some highlighter. We'll see how it goes, but these are the two sticker books I am going to be pulling from. This is the fitness one that is orange. It has 946 stickers, and this one is the Healthy Hero. This is the one for the mini though. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with my sidebar. Alright, to go in this top corner, I think I want to cover up the notes, so I did decided that I was going to pull in an additional sticker book. This is the Purple Fitness. I think this is one of the newest ones that's out, so this should be available in a lot of places. But I'm going to pull in a full box from here if I can find them. There they are. I think I'm going to start with this one right here. This Sweat, Sweat, Sweat. I feel like it's a good one to kind of motivate me to get going. And these are pretty thick, so I'm going to have to like butt it right up against the top. But there we go. It has like gold foil on it, which makes it look pretty cool. So then underneath here, I'm actually going to leave a spot for a goal. Now they have these grid boxes here in this book. So let's see. Maybe I'll pull in a grid box for my goal, which will go underneath. And I think I'm going to leave a little space so I can like put a script sticker or something there to write goal. And then underneath that, I'm going to do some habit trackers, which were also in here. This is a great book, like all-around book. If you kind of just want to get one fitness book, this would definitely be one that I might recommend. So I'm going to do 2 habit trackers. And I'm going to kind of stick with this pink theme. I think I'm going to put a little bit of a gap there. And put my habit trackers. We'll space them out just a little bit. There we go. And then right at the bottom, I think I'm just going to do like an inspirational quote. Let's see if there's any in this one. And then at the very bottom, I think I'm just going to put this quote that says, "You are stronger than you think." Just as a little extra motivation down there. Because, you know, some days you just need it. Alright, so I think that's what I'm going to put. I don't know if I can find any scripts in these sticker books. I might just have to write in there, like goal and then like this week or something like that. I might have to just kind of find my own. So I do have this fitness sticker book that I actually found this weekly goal kind of script in. So I'm going to pull this and maybe put that right there. There we go. But I didn't find one for there. So this is where the majority of my stickers are going to be. They're going to be in the sidebar. This section and this section are going to be definitely a lot more pen, because this is where I'm going to be filling out the majority of my things. So I think I'm actually going to start from the bottom up. So I have started doing cardio and weight training. So for me, I want to kind of mark which days are which. So in this Healthy Hero sticker book, they have these dumbbells, and they also have these running shoes. So I'm going to pull in, I think I'm going to try to go with this pink, gold, and maybe some black thrown in. So I'm going to pull in some shoes for my cardio days, and then the dumbbells for my weight training days. And then for my food log, I'm actually going to take this same sticker book And I'm going to pull in these little triangles right here. They have B, L, and D for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So I'm going to put those in this gridded area here. Alright, so I finished up putting down the breakfast, lunch, and dinner in that section. The priority section I'm going to be using as kind of an area where there are like random things that happen throughout the week that I still want to put in here. Things like meal planning, meal prepping, grocery shopping, weighing in, things like that. So I'm going to pull from this fitness sticker book, and I'm going to take this little kind of half box. I do my meal planning on Tuesday or Wednesday. This week I'll probably do it on Tuesday. So I'll put that guy there. So this will be my meal planning. I put that down crooked. Does it really matter? No, probably not, but I'm going to fix it anyways. There we go. My meal planning will be there. I have meal prepping, and I don't know if it was in this sticker book, but let's see. They have some meal prep stickers here. I'm going to pull in this black with the gold foil to kind of continue that gold foil throughout. Meal prepping for me is on a Sunday, so I'm just going to put that there. And then what else do I need? I weigh in on Saturday, and my grocery shopping will be done on Friday. So I'm going to pull from this fitness sticker book, and I'm going to use this little mini scale right here, and I'm going to put it right maybe up there, and then I'll write weigh in next to it. I don't think there are any weigh in stickers here, but I weigh in once a week on Saturdays, and then Friday is my grocery shopping day. So let's see if I can find some little grocery shopping carts. And I didn't find any, so I'm actually going to go back to this book. Was it this book? Maybe it was this one. No, it has to be this one. For those, there they are. For these little half kind of box arrow things, I'm going to just pull in another one for grocery shopping on Friday. And I think that's all for now that I'm going to put in here. I might add like some decoration or something. I haven't really decided yet in like these extra boxes, but honestly probably not. I'll probably just leave it. So this top section is where I'm going to pull in a highlighter, and I'm actually going to pull in this kind of orange one to kind of pull in this orange from this box over here. This is an Erin Condren dual tip highlighter. It's similar to the mild liners, but Erin Condren style. It has the mid-century circles on the barrel. I got these in the warehouse sale, and I loved them. So in this area, I'm going to track my steps, my calories that I ate that day, and my water intake, how many ounces I drink. So before I do that though, I did want to pull in, I don't know why, but I thought it would be kind of fun to pull in a weekend banner. Just, you know, because the weekend is awesome, and if you make it to the weekend, then you're golden. So I'm going to pull in this Hello Weekend banner, and I'm just going to put it on Saturday and Sunday. Over here, let's see, there we go. And then I am going to use this mild liner, or Erin Condren highlighter, dual tip highlighter. Let's see, maybe I should start on Saturday to kind of get a feel since this weekend banner's here. So I'm going to just use a single line, and then another line, and then another line. And that's all I'm going to do. So then I'll show you kind of how I'm going to set this up, and then I'll do it on my own. I am just going to write steps in the top one, and then do like a double dot, and then calories, and then in the last one I will do water. And I just kind of wanted to do the highlighter to kind of bring attention to it, kind of make that pop out a little bit. And yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do that for the rest of the days then. Alright, so I finished up the highlighting. There is this empty space up here, so I am going to pull in from the sticker book kind of like this little saying right here. It says gym hair, don't care, and it matches like the pink and like the orange color. So I'm just going to pull this in just to kind of fill this empty space right here. I don't know, I'm weird like that. Empty spaces aren't necessarily a bad thing, but I feel like it can just be filled with something right there. Okay. So this is kind of the basis of what it's going to look like. I don't know if I mentioned this, but over here on the weekend, I actually kind of change up my workout pretty consistently. So I'm not going to put anything here because sometimes I go hiking, sometimes I go biking. Kind of depends on what we're doing that weekend. So I'm going to leave this blank, and then when it comes to it, I can fill it in if need be. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this out and show you guys what it looks like. So I went ahead and put all my meals down here. I filled in my workouts. I filled in what I'm going to do for my habits. This one is close my Apple Watch ring, which is this guy right here. And then drink 72 ounces of water is another habit I want to kind of track this week. My weekly goal is to stay under 1,500 calories every single day this week, which isn't too hard, but I want to make this feasible. I want to make this a goal that I can reach, and I want to make these habits that I really need to work on. So then I just wrote in meal plan, get groceries, weigh in, and yeah, I also added some date numbers to the top. Since this is an undated fitness extension, I grabbed this kind of member keeping dates and holidays sticker book to be able to put date dots and kind of date it for myself. So let's go ahead and pop this guide back in. Let me know if you guys have any questions on kind of how I am going about using this planner. If you want to know where a certain sticker is from, which sticker book, or just any questions in general, shoot me a comment and I will definitely answer it. But this is how it turned out. It looks awesome. I'm going to later on today fill this out with my challenge for the month, but I'm really excited to get into this. Let me know if you would like to see more like it. If you want to see anything in regards to this planner, this little section of my household planner, let me know. I can definitely kind of help you guys or show you kind of how I'm going to be using this. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.